Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Now, for today's trade of the day, we will be looking at the euro dollar, right? The euro dollar has formed a very nice structure on the weekly, and I just want to show this to you guys. Okay, I believe there's still a lot of further bullish upside to go. Okay, so what I have here is on the weekly where price made a low, alright, then price went up, made a high, made a higher low, made a higher high, went sideways, but essentially made a higher low. Okay, and price pushed higher, made a higher high. Now it came back down, alright, so it should have already made a higher low. Okay, we could possibly see some sideways, otherwise we should see price make a higher high. It's a very strong uptrend. Okay, so our first swing target can definitely be at the recent high. Okay, but I just want to, because this trade of the day, I just want you guys to know that this is the bullish structure that we're seeing. So very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour for any intraday's opportunity. Alright, so I just want to focus on this area. Okay, I just saw this very interesting configuration pattern. Okay, price made a high, okay, and made a low, made a lower high, made a lower low, made a lower high, lower low, made a lower low, okay, but then price immediately made a higher high. Okay, and then after that we have the first higher low. Alright, so the intraday trend structure might be changing to one that is bullish again. And if we were to connect the highs, okay, if we were to connect the highs, try to cut as many candles as possible, try to tap as many candles as possible. Okay, in close, alright, it is a very nice touch. Okay, but candlesticks, one thing that I don't really like is that the trend line cuts the candle body. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it like that still, okay, because in closing prices it works very nicely. Now if we take a retracement, we see that price has really broken out, pulled back, retested, and seems ready to be taking off. We're also holding above the moving average. Okay, so we take a retracement of the last move from the low to the high. Okay, I've already preset the Fibonacci levels over there, so I'm just going to go ahead and color it. Okay, so it's easy for you guys to see. Now we have a strong support over here which we can wait for price to pull back to enter. Okay, this can be our entry. Alright, and I'm gonna remove the 61.8. I'm thinking more of 50%. Okay, 50%. Why 50%? Right, because two reasons why my stop loss will be at 50% is really because, hang on, let me just change this stop loss. It's because if price were to come back down, okay, price would have probably broken below this descending trend line support. Price would have broken below this microstructure over here, and also this supply demand zone over here. Alright, so for these three reasons, the stop loss is there. Okay, just keep it a bit wider, right, to prevent us from being prematurely stopped out. But there are also strong reasons why, if price comes back to touch the stop loss, our bullish bias is wrong. Okay, and of course, like I said, the take profit very simply can play to the last swing high. Alright, if you guys want, you have an intraday take profit at around the negative 27.20 level. Okay, just slightly before that. Alright, so you can have two sort of take profits. Okay, one partial, one longer term. Alright, so we wait for price to come back. Alright, and then we go long, okay, towards our intraday take profit. Alright, so that's all the time we have for today's trade of the day. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you guys again. Take care, trade safe.